नमस्ते, वेलकम टू अनकनिश क्रिएशंस। कैसा जा रहा है आप लोग का सेल्फ आइसोलेशन टाइम? हमारा तो आई डोंट नो कितने दिन हो गए, लाइक 1 महीना तो होने आया है ऑलमोस्ट। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड, डूइंग great at home, staying safe at home. And yeah, I hope this ends soon. For this video, I'm going to be sharing a budget-friendly, rental-friendly home decor idea which I was inspired from Madhubani art form, which is an ancient Indian art form. तो क्या हुआ ना, like in this 1 month of period, मेरे पास बाहर जाके न्यू क्राफ्ट सप्लाईज या न्यू सामान लेने का तो मौका नहीं था। तो मैंने अपना सामान खुरेद के, जो मैं होर्ड करती थी इतने सालों तक कि चलो कभी इसका डीआईवाई करेंगे, कभी इससे कुछ करेंगे, तो उसमें नए मुझे सामान मिल रहे हैं और मैं नए एक्टिविटीज और डीआईवाईज ट्राई कर रही हूँ। तो दिस टाइम आई हैड bunch of plates, like disposable plates, not plastic ones, they are kind of a wood one. तो वो मैं किसी पार्टी के लिए नहीं लाई थी, ऑब्वियसली कुछ डीआईवाई करने के लिए लाई थी। So in this video we are going to be painting on them, yay! And it can be very cute as a home decor. तो and yeah, क्योंकि disposable plates है, ज़्यादा भारी नहीं होते, तो it is easily hangable on wall using some double-sided tapes or glue tacks or command strips, whatever you may have at home. Okay, now let's get started with this video. Madhubani painting, also known as Mithila painting, is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of Bihar, India. It was traditionally created by women of various communities in Mithila region. These paintings were traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of huts using paste of powdered rice. But now they are also done on cloth, handmade paper and canvas. This painting mostly depict people and their association with nature and scenes and deities from ancient epics. Natural objects like sun, the moon, and the religious plants like tulsi are also widely painted. Generally, no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by paintings of flowers, animals, birds, and even geometric designs. So now let's start with this video. I found these plates and this box of Madhubani paintings in my cupboard, so I decided to do something related to Madhubani art today. First, I have painted a base layer of white on all my plates. I have used 3 plates in this video, and then I have added a base color of light yellow on 2 of them and left the left one as white. Now let's start with the first one, which is sun painting. So I'm making some different sizes of circles with all the objects I have, and then I will be drawing some basic designs. I was inspired to draw all these designs from the box which I have shown earlier in this video. And yeah, there's nothing much to say, just there's a drawing, there are lots of colors. Madhubani painting is all about lots of bright colors. So yeah, enjoy this video. I'm using a Sharpie marker to paint the borders because the surface of this plate is not very even, so it will be a little bit hard for me to use a paintbrush for making borders. And we are done with our first plate painting inspired from Madhubani art. Now let's move on to the next one. For this one, I am painting a very light shade of purplish kind of a color on top of the white one. I don't want to hide the white completely. And then I drew this design. It was a very simple design, तो मैंने उसका video record नहीं किया. So yeah, now I'm filling in the colors in this. All the paintings I'm showing in this video are inspired from Madhubani art. They are not complete 100% replica, if I may say, of Madhubani art, because I am leaving some blank spaces, like where I have not drawn anything. I like it that way. And we are done with the second one as well. I really like the color combination in this one. And now let's move on to the third and the final. For this one, I will be drawing some fishes and then some leaves and flowers around them as a border. And then we will also color this. And now it's time to paint this one. So this one took me more time than other two paintings to color, because इसमें बहुत सारे छोटे-छोटे parts थे color करने के लिए. And due to those छोटे-छोटे parts, it came out to be the most colorful one, because I tried to incorporate as many colors as I can in this. So yeah, enjoy the coloring part of this one as well. And we are done with the third and the last painting. I loved this one, mostly because of all the colors in it. Let me know in the comment section below which one of this painting you liked the most. I wanted to hang this painting in my craft studio using some blue tack individually. Like the sun would be on top, the flower would be in middle and the fish would be at the bottom. But I ran out of blue tack and बाहर तो जा नहीं सकते लेने के लिए. So I decided to hang them using some jute thread. But be careful while you attach the jute thread, it should be straight in line. For my first plate, the thread was not exactly straight in line, so because of that you will be able to see when I wanted to hang it, वो थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा जा रहा था. So make sure that your thread is straight in line. This is what I was talking about. तो मैंने उसको fix किया, but after that the gap which I wanted, little bit gap between the plates, वो नहीं रहा. But that's okay. So this is the DIY. So I hope you like this video. Hit that like button if you do and comment down below your thoughts on it. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already on my channel. I have 140 plus videos on my channel. You can explore the channel, explore all the content and subscribe if you like my work. Next video, I will be trying some POP crafts and hobby plaster crafts जो मुझे वापस अपने खजाने में मिला है. So yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I upload that video. And अब मुझसे ज़्यादा बोला नहीं जा रहा. Okay, now bye. I'll see you soon in my next video. Love being creative. Stay at home. Bye bye.
Bye, love being creative. See you soon.